Hello budding data scientist. Today I will give you a demo of a magical tool which will solve the problem of tedious Python coding. Intelicode, designed and developed by Apollonius, an AI think tank company. So let's begin the demo. Here we have the Python script leveraging the Crew AI, and we have set up an AI agent specifically designed for machine learning and deep learning code generation, powered by advanced OpenAI model. We have also integrated a code interpreter tool which allows agent to not only generate code but also understand its potential execution. Now let's run the code. The user only simply needs to describe what they want to achieve. So here is the interface which we have created using the Gradio. In this, user simply needs to input the prompt which they want to do. So as suppose I have given the prompt perform CNN on MNIST dataset and hit the generate the Python code. Now QA orchestrates its agent, and the code generator processes our request and generate the necessary Python code. So here you can see that it has actually generated the code which we have asked for. So yeah, for the further discussion, please call on 6289859719. Thank you.